This is the Leonard Houma facility where basically we repair offshore equipment, motors, generators, and electrical switchgear for the offshore markets and marine markets down in the Gulf of Mexico, as well as in surrounding petrochemical plants along the river in New Orleans and Baton Rouge.
As a single source supplier, that means we can provide multiple services to our customers. And saying we could do generator service, motor service, vibration, testing, all in one facility. You don't have to go out to multiple vendors for these services.
Leonard can be a total turnkey solution. We can go to site, assess an issue and problem. We can also remove the equipment from position, bring it to our facility here, have it repaired, tested back to OEM standards and qualifications, and put it back into site and have it recommissioned as per the OEM would do. So in that scenario, it is a complete turnkey solution for their problems that they have.
With our years of experience working with the OEMs, our relationships, we're able to get technical data from the OEMs, and you get a OEM level repair, or sometimes some cases much better. Because we've seen multiple manufacturers' products and we know the nuances and what needs to be done to actually get longevity out of your product.
It's a one-stop shop. It's the place you can send all of your equipment into one centralized location and deal with the same people and know you're going to get a good product back.